If Pixlr is showing an unsupported file format error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This is one of those problems that usually looks more complicated than it really is, and in most cases, it can be solved in just a few minutes by checking the file type, re-saving the image, and clearing anything in your browser that may be blocking the upload. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and editing tips. Let's get into it. First, start with the image itself. One of the easiest ways to fix a file format issue is to re-encode the image. To do that, right-click the image file and open it in MS Paint. Once the image opens, go to File, then choose Save As, and save it again as either PNG or JPG. This creates a fresh version of the file, and that alone often removes the formatting issue that Pixlr is complaining about. If the image was originally saved in a strange format, this step can make it compatible right away. Next, check the file name. Sometimes Pixlr has trouble if the file name contains special characters, symbols, or anything unusual. Rename the file to something simple and clean. Use only letters, numbers, dashes, or underscores if needed. Avoid characters like ampersands, question marks, brackets, or extra punctuation. A file name like imageedit1.png is much safer than something cluttered with special symbols. If the upload failed because of the name, this alone may solve it. Now take a look at the file extension. Make sure the extension matches the actual file type. For example, if the image is really a PNG, it should end in .png, and if it is a JPG, it should end in .jpg or .jpeg. Sometimes a file gets renamed incorrectly, and Pixlr reads it as unsupported even though the image itself is fine. If needed, correct the extension so it matches the real image format. If you are trying to use a custom font in Pixlr and the font file will not import properly, there is another important step. If you downloaded the font in a zip archive, you need to extract the font files first before importing them. Do not upload the zip file directly. Open the zip, extract the contents, and then locate the actual font file, such as a TTF or OT file. After that, try importing the extracted font again. This is a common mistake, especially when downloading fonts from the web. If the issue still continues, the problem may be in your browser rather than the file itself. In that case, the next thing to do is clear your browser data. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range dropdown to all time. Then check the box for cookies and other site data, and also check the box for cached images and files. Once those are selected, click the Clear Data button. After that, reload the page and try uploading your file again. A damaged cache or old browser session can sometimes cause Pixlr to misread files or block uploads completely. Another common cause is browser interference. If you use ad blockers, privacy extensions, or VPN extensions, they can sometimes prevent Pixlr from loading correctly or stop files from uploading the way they should. Try disabling those extensions temporarily, then refresh Pixlr and test the upload again. If you have a VPN extension enabled, turn it off for a moment and see if the file works. In many cases, the error disappears as soon as the browser is allowed to load the site normally. So, to quickly recap, if Pixlr says your file format is unsupported, first resave the image in MS Paint as PNG or JPG, then rename the file and remove special characters, then fix the file extension if it is wrong. Extract fonts from zip files before importing them. Clear your browser data and disable any ad blockers, privacy tools, or VPN extensions that may be interfering. One of those fixes usually solves the problem. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software tutorials, editing fixes, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.